Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a delicious paneer gravy recipe and it's Methi Malai Paneer. Busting in the flavors of fresh methi leaves, this creamy gravy tastes just awesome and is so good to enjoy with roti, naan or even with zira rice or pulao. So let's get started with the making of this delicious paneer recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 2 cups of fresh methi or fenugreek leaves which has been cleaned and washed. And now into this I will add a tablespoon of salt. We'll mix this well and let them sit for 20 minutes so that the methi leaves sheds out its bitter taste. After 20 minutes you will see some water. This is the salty bitter water from the methi, and now we will squeeze out the bitter water from the fenugreek or methi leaves and transfer to a bowl. Next we'll finally chop the methi leaves. So chopping is also done and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat a tablespoon of Desi ghee or clarified butter in a pan. We'll spread the ghee on all the sides of the pan, and when the ghee has melted and is hot enough, we will add the chopped fenugreek or methi leaves. And on medium flame we will saute them for 1 to 2 minutes until they start to wilt and the color slightly changes. And now into this we will add the paneer or cottage cheese which I have cut into cubes of medium portion. You can cut the paneer or cottage cheese into any shape or size you want. And we'll season them with a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. We'll now saute them for another 1 to 2 minutes until the paneer cubes turns golden brown in color and in the process are well infused with the flavor of methi leaves. And by now, as you can see, the paneer cubes have turned golden brown from all the sides and the methi leaves are also well sauteed. And these are done now. So I will take the pan off from the flame, and in a separate karahi I will add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And into this we will add few cumin seeds or sabut jeera. We let them crackle for a while. Next into this goes 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. We saute them well until the onion, ginger, garlic turns golden brown and the raw taste goes away. I'll add now 1 green chilli which has been chopped. You can add green chilies as per your spice level. We'll saute them for a few seconds. And now into this goes the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. On medium to high flame we will saute them well. We'll now season the tomato puree with some salt so that they cook faster. We'll mix this well and cook until the water from the tomato puree dries out. We'll add now some spices. Here goes 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, a pinch of kali mirch or black pepper, and a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. We'll mix this well. I'll add now a splash of water so that the spices are well sauteed along with the onions and tomatoes without getting burned. And now on medium flame we will stir this well until oil starts to separate from the spice mix. And once they are fried well, We will add into this 2 tablespoons of thick cashew paste, which will make our gravy rich and creamy. And now on low to medium flame, we will saute this well for 1 to 2 minutes by stirring them continuously. We'll add now some water to form a gravy-like consistency. We'll mix this well and let the gravy come to a boil. And at this stage, we will add the sauteed paneer or cottage cheese along with methi or fenugreek leaves. We'll now gently mix the paneer and the methi leaves along with the gravy so that they are well combined. You can add some more water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. And now we will cover and let them cook on low to medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check this now. The consistency of the gravy should be slightly thick like this. And finally into this I will add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavor, half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, and some fresh cream as we are making Methi Malai Paneer. And adding cashew paste and cream will give a very creamy texture and flavor into our gravy, making it so very delicious to taste. We'll mix this well for one last time. And friends, our rich and creamy Methi Malai Paneer is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Methi Malai Paneer recipe soon, which is so good to enjoy with roti, paratha, or even with zira rice or pulao. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.